guys, so this is the Infinix Note 12 VIP. So this phone has a 108 megapixel rear camera, 120 watts of fast charging, a 120 Hz display, and 13 gigabytes of RAM. Wow, this phone is truly the VIP. It's a very important phone. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing every aspect of this phone to find out if you should buy it. So stay tuned and let's get to it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So we just crossed 1,000 subscribers right here on the channel. So thank you all so much. And if you're new here or you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, now let's get on with the unboxing. So inside the box, we are first greeted with the phone. It feels nice in the hand. Next, we get the X Club dollar bill, a glass screen protector, some Infinix stickers, a plastic silicone case. It fits the phone well. Next, we get the X-Pack pamphlet and Care Plus note, MTN card to redeem 1.5 gigabytes of data, wired earphones, a Type-C cable, and lastly, the main highlight of the Note 12 VIP, the 120 watt charging brick. So all this will cost you $300 or 200,000 naira. Let's start with a 120 watt fast charger. Infinix claims that the Note 12 VIP can charge from 0 to 100% in 17 minutes using the 120 watt fast charger. Now, I didn't spend enough time with the phone to test it out, but other YouTubers did test it and it took 21 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. Infinix were not totally accurate, but still, 21 minutes is incredible. And it's a 5000 mAh battery, so it's not a small battery. It's just really fast charging. And the 5000 mAh battery should be able to last you through a day. This phone feels very nice in the hand, partly because it's a matte finish, so you get zero fingerprint smudges on this phone. The camera module is a glossy finish though. It covers the entire top part of the phone. It's completely made from plastics, the rear is plastic and the frame is also plastic. And it's not curved, it's flat. There was no mention of any form of screen protection or any form of water resistance, so do keep away from water. The display on the Note 12 VIP is amazing. It's a 6.7-inch 1080p 120Hz AMOLED display with peak brightness of 700 nits. It checks almost all the boxes. It's huge, it's 1080p, it's AMOLED, it gets very bright, and it's 120Hz. It is very good for media consumption and great for gaming. Colors are vibrant, contrast is good, it is sharp, and you can use it under direct sunlight. But it is not an HDR display. On the right side of the phone, we get the volume rockers and the power button. It is also the fingerprint scanner. It unlocks the phone pretty fast and it is very reliable. At the bottom of the phone, we get one of stereo speakers, the Type-C port, primary microphone, and the headphone jack. At the left, we get the slot which can take two 4G SIMs and a memory card. And up top, we get the secondary microphone and a speaker outlet. The sound from the stereo speakers are very good, unlike the Infinix Hot 12. Now let's take a look at the camera performance. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, we get a 108 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth camera, and up front a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Pictures on here, in my opinion, are just okay. The quality won't blow you away, but it's good, even when you're shooting in low light. HDR is pretty good. Colors are different in the main and ultra wide, and the ultra wide actually has more accurate colors than the 108 megapixel sensor. Selfies are decent. They are sharp and HDR is also good here. Selfie portraits are good. Edge detection is just average. Portraits from the main sensor are very good and edge detection is way better here. Hey guys, so this is selfie video on the Infinix Note 12 VIP. So let me know what you think of the video quality. This is shooting in 2K resolution, that's 1440p. So let me know what you think of the video quality and your audio quality as well. This also doubles down as audio test. So let me know what you think of the whole quality. It looks pretty decent. This is what portrait video looks like on the Infinix Note 12 VIP. But do note that this lowers the resolution to 720p. You can't shoot portrait video in 1080p or 2K resolution. So let me know what you think of this portrait video effect. It's clipping my ears a bit, but it's okay. And this is what the selfie video looks like outdoors. I think it looks way better when you're in the sun. So yeah, let me know what you think of the video quality, the audio quality, and everything. Looking good. This is video from the rear camera, the 108 megapixel sensor. Outdoor video. This is 10x zoom. That's the highest it's gonna go to. This is 1x. And this is video from the ultra wide camera. All the sensors look pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, let me know what you think of the camera quality in the comment section. The Note 12 VIP is on the latest version of Android, that's Android 12 on XOS 10.6. It's your usual XOS that has tons of features including memory fusion. So we get 8GB of RAM, but with memory fusion we can add an additional 5GB, making a total of 13GB of RAM. Absolutely insane. We also get 256GB of storage. The Infinix Note 12 VIP is powered by the MediaTek Helio G96. We've all seen this processor before. It's a gaming chipset that is pretty capable, but I was hoping for a MediaTek Dimensity processor considering the price of this phone. But this phone still performs very well whether it's gaming or performing normal tasks. Take a look at the Geekbench scores. Pretty good numbers. So do let me know your thoughts on the Infinix Note 12 VIP. Are you already rushing to the store to buy one? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Judy, this is Judy Shoots, and you'll see me in my next video.